Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome to a special edition of Health Haven Hub, where we're about to embark on a journey to energize your life in just 30 minutes. Whether you're feeling sluggish, overwhelmed, or just in need of a boost, this video is tailored for you. Let's dive in. First things first, let's wake up that body. Follow along as we engage in a quick and effective full-body workout. We're talking about moves that get your heart pumping, blood flowing, and energy levels soaring. No equipment needed, just pure, invigorating movement to kickstart your day. Now that we've got the blood flowing, it's time to fuel up. Join me in the kitchen as we prepare a nutrient-packed, energy-boosting meal. We'll explore ingredients that not only taste delicious but also provide sustained energy to keep you going throughout the day. Get ready for a quick and easy culinary adventure. Pause and breathe. It's time for a mindful break to enhance mental clarity. Join me for a short mindfulness meditation session designed to calm your mind, reduce stress, and recharge your mental batteries. In just a few minutes, you'll feel a renewed sense of focus and energy. Now, let's tap into the power of breath. We're going to explore energizing breathing exercises that will increase oxygen flow, improve alertness, and elevate your overall energy levels. Follow these simple techniques to harness the revitalizing power of your breath.